look into some interesting topics, which is shell scripting. Basically, shell scripting is useful in so many aspects, like interacting with the files, directories, and the operating system, etc. Today, we will see some small use cases like renaming files to a certain prefix with the sequence number kind of arrangement. So let's look at the shell script. In our shell script, we have defined an if condition to check whether the number of arguments are satisfied. Like we are expecting two arguments. One is the directory which contains the files to rename and the prefix. So if it's not satisfied, then we have to display an error message with the help option, like how to use it. So that is the one we have mentioned in the if condition. Then we have defined our directory and prefix as first and second arguments, and we will initialize our file count with 1, and then we will check whether the directory is existing. So that we are checking through this conditional check, and if we have the directory, then we can navigate to that directory, else it will exit. So we will navigate to that directory, and then for each and every files in the directory, we are going to rename that. So how we are going to rename is, first we are checking that's a valid file. If it's a valid file, then we are going to generate a new name for that one. How we are going to generate a new name is, first we going to take the argument, prefix argument, and then we are concatenating with an underscore, and we are putting the count, which is starting from 1 until the total number of files, and we will get the file extensions. So this will display the characters after the dot, so that will be the extension. And after that, what we are going to do is, we are going to use the move command, and we are going to move this file to this new file name. And after moving the file, we are going to mention it as the rename file and the old file name and the corresponding new file name. So that's how we are going to do. So let's run this program, and we will see what is the output is. So we are going to run this shell script. Before that, we need to have the system access, because we are going to perform some move and rename operations. So I'm using the sudo command, and then I am going to rename the files in the files directory. So I'm going to rename it with the name fl as the prefix, and it will start from 1. So let's execute this. So you can see here the file names are changed to fl123. So if you haven't observed, I will again execute this with another commands. Let's say fl, we will change it to, let's say, txt. So then you can see the files are renamed. Okay, so this will be useful in so many occasions. When we have a lot of files which contain the similar pattern, we can organize using these scripts. And we will explore some of the interesting topics, like deleting and organizing the directories, in the upcoming series. Thank you very much for watching, and please support by commenting or sharing the videos. Thank you.